Cooking vocabulary. Cooking verbs. Food adjectives. Describing food. Cooking verbs. Wash. I washed all vegetables for the salad. Slice. When I slice onions, I cry. Chop. Could you chop the carrots for the stew, please? Cut. Would you like me to cut the sandwich in half? Mince. To make a stew, I need to mince the meat. Peel. Can you peel the potatoes for dinner? Grate. The waiter will grate cheese on your meal. Mix. I mix vegetables in a bowl to make a salad. Stir. You need to stir the soup while cooking. Break. I need to break 2 eggs for an omelette. Beat. Kate is beating eggs for an omelette. Squeeze. I will squeeze lemons for the lemon juice. Pour. Could you pour me a glass of water, please? Spread. Spread the butter on a slice of bread. Fry. I like to fry eggs for breakfast. Food adjectives. Tasty. Delicious. Good. Yummy. How to describe food you like. This sandwich is tasty. I love this cake. This muffin is my favorite. This pasta is delicious. These cookies are yummy. This soup is very good. I really like this sandwich. How to describe food you dislike. This sandwich is not tasty. I dislike this pasta. I don't like this hamburger. This pizza is disgusting. This carrot is really untasty.